Hello, I'm Linda Hall, and I'd like to share with you the process and inspiration behind my guided meditations. When I create a guided meditation, I let my thinking mind sit back so it doesn't get in the way by overthinking things. I allow myself to enter a meditative state, just as I would in my own meditation practice, and go into a light, comfortable trance where I surrender to flow. The meditation has a life of its own, seeming to grow without my consciously directing it. As the meditation unfolds, I put the experience into words, exactly as it's happening to me in real time. Rather than searching for the right words, I let them come to me in their own way. Sometimes they come as images or as a sense of inner knowing. I call this stream of consciousness my own subconscious mind merging with universal consciousness. Whilst I'm creating a guided meditation, I reap all its benefits because I'm engaging with the meditation and just describing it. I feel privileged to be doing this rewarding, enriching work. It enables me to examine my own psyche, explore my spiritual nature, and look after my own needs. Like everyone, I'm a work in progress, and by consciously engaging with my own self-growth, I can help others engage with their process of personal development through these guided meditations. Inspiration for my meditations often comes whilst walking my dog Bess in the wide open spaces and big skies of the beautiful estuary near my home. The ever-changing light and shifting shapes of the salt marsh feeds my spirit, calms my soul, and helps me see the bigger picture. I draw on my own experience of what it is to be human, in all its many shades and colours. I know what it's like to have been through difficult times. I've been there myself. And over the years, I've been touched by the experiences of all the people I've worked with in my groups, and by each and every one of you who take the time to listen to my meditations and tell me your stories. These meditations are for you. Let me know what themes you'd like the meditations to explore and how long you'd like them to be in the box below. I hope you've enjoyed this window on my world. I'm passionate about living in the now with acceptance and compassion, and about the power each of us possesses for positive change. My next video will tell the story of how meditation helped me overcome a prolonged and challenging period of ill health some years ago. I look forward to sharing that with you. In the meantime, go well. If you've enjoyed this video, just subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so we can let you know when the next video is released.